Good morning, ladies. Megan. So today's topic is brows. These suckers right here. I didn't realize the importance of brows and how they really kind of help frame your eyes. Now, I have my foundation on. I don't have any eyeshadow on today because that's my next video for my other makeup class. And obviously I did that in here yesterday, right? So anyway, we have some tools for doing our brows that I'm going to share with you. One I think is totally important is this. It's the Lash Brow Comb, okay? I use this every day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush my brows up here and then over, okay? Same thing here and then over. Yeah, okay. Now, this is a unique brush. Love it. We also have two options for how to do your brows. So I'm going to show you one option on each eye. So then you'll see how easy they both are and how you can use them, okay? So the first one is our brow liner. It comes with this little spoolie brush, which does that same thing that the Lash the Lash Comb brow brush does, okay? And then this side is the pencil and it twists up, okay? So I'm going to show you how to use that on this eye. And then this is our Brow Artist brush. So it's this side is slanted and this side is straight. This goes with our brow palette, which is absolutely amazing. I love it. Okay, so here's the inside of the palette. So there are three shades. There's blonde, brunette, and dark. Now this is a brunette because obviously I'm a brunette. So there's two shades, a lighter and a darker shade. These are what you're going to use to fill in your brows. These two colors here are highlighters. So you can highlight above your brow and below your brow with either of these two shades. One's a pink and one's more of a cream. And then this is a wax, which you would use afterwards if you have unruly brows. Or sometimes I just use it just to make sure they're going to stay in place all day. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a trick about brows that you might not know. Now I'm going to take this brush here and use the dark. Okay, so when shaping your brows, these are three important things to know, okay? So you're going to literally go like this to see it left a line, okay? Then you're going to go like this on an angle over your pupil. That's where the arch is. Oh, it didn't do it. Hold on. Okay. Then you're going to put it on the tip of your nose and go out to the corner. So that is the shape of your brow. That's how you can do it. So it's pretty easy to know where like your arch is and everything. Now you want to be darker on the outside and lighter on the in when using it. So that's why you have two colors in here. So I use the darker color and I use the flat side of the brush. I don't use the angled. Okay, so like I'm going to come here. Now I'm not going to go that high. That's just a frame of reference of like where the arch is and where the end is on your brows. Okay, so I'm just going to lightly stroke the hairs, stroke the brush right here like this. Okay, then I'm going to come up here and I'm just going to kind of outline it. Now it's a little bit darker today than I would normally do. Now I'm going to take the brush and go in on the lighter color. I'm going to come here and I'm going to flick in upwards motions. Now the reason I do that is because then my brow looks more like it's actual hairs going up and down than it does that it's filled in right here at the beginning, because your hair doesn't grow sideways. Right here it grows upwards. Okay, and then I'm just going to go in and fill in the rest here. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to wipe this off. Look at that, it's magical. It just wipes it right off. Yes, it does. Okay, then I'm going to do this. So it looks more natural. I'm going to brush it a little bit because it is a little heavy, because I want a little heavy to show you. Okay, now, see that? Now look at the difference. Now your brows are sisters. They're not twins. They will never look the same ever. But I mean, like, what a crazy difference that makes, right? Having this brow is not filled in. This one is filled in. And actually that line is still right there. There we go. Perfect. Now, on to the next tool. So that I use this Brow Artist brush and our brow palette. This is how I typically do my brows every day. Now, if I'm in a hurry and I'm on the run, this is nice to have too. Okay, so again, those lines there. And on the top of your nose and out, okay? So I need the mirror so I can show you. But you literally, you can see it, like just little light strokes. And I know because my brow, like I'm always doing my brows. So I know how to, like where I need to fill it in. But again, here I'm gonna just do light strokes in the upward motion so that it looks more natural. And I'm this, like literally my hand is way back here because I want it to be light. I don't want a heavy hand when filling in brows. Now I have a scar right here, so that scar like never, ever, ever gets filled in. But if you want super easy, both my girls use this brow pencil. Like that. I'm gonna take my finger and rub over because that side is a little high because of that scar. It's crazy how weird that looks. Anyway, so those are our tools today. It is so much easier than you think, and really can just make such a big difference in your eyes. Like, kind of just makes my eyes like they're there instead of just being brows doing nothing. So if you ladies have any questions, drop them below. I would be happy to help answer any other questions. Thanks for watching.